This short tutorial will show you how to find scholarly journal articles in Academic Search Ultimate. Start from the library homepage and choose the Articles and Databases tab. From the Subject pull-down, choose General and Multidisciplinary. Then choose Academic Search Ultimate. We're going to search for scholarly journal articles on how climate change is affecting the acidity of the ocean. We use synonyms to expand our search results. Since we want scholarly journal articles, we'll use the Academic Journal limiter. If you want to find a full text article, use the full text limiter. If the article looks useful, put it into the folder. The folder stores results as long as you're actively searching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can email, text, or call us. Thanks for watching.